Learn and grow with AsheDesign.com. In this video, we're going to learn about using your All Access account. First, go to AsheDesign.com. Typically, you would go to a template and click, and it would say Add to Cart, and then you would have to purchase. While the website is really good, it's not smart enough to know that you have an All Access membership without logging in first. So go up here to the top where it says Log In or Create Account, and click on Log In. Now, you're going to have to put in the email that you used to purchase your account. So if you have more than one account, you need to use the email address you used to subscribe, and then put in the correct password and log in. And once you've successfully logged in, you'll know that because now it will show My Account. Now if we go back to the home page and click, the Add to Cart button is now changed to Download. Now, one important thing is you'll need to go to each individual item. You can't, for example, type in baseball and see all these templates show up and click them and download them at once. You must go to each one and download. The other thing is you may wonder why that says download one. Well, that's because there are certain things, like if I go to collage sets and go to this one that's split, it has 3 different sections to download because there are different sizes that are too large for one file size. So you're going to have to download each section to get the whole thing. And then once you're finished, you can log out.